Do you run a large enterprise and have a lot of data? Maintaining financial integrity is crucial. While QuickBooks may help with this, the migration process is not without its challenges. But with the right strategy in place, it's manageable. Common migration challenges include managing large datasets, which increases the risk of errors and slows down the process. Ensuring compatibility between your existing software and QuickBooks. Minimizing disruptions and maintaining business continuity throughout the migration. Here's how to overcome them. Step 1. Prepare for data migration. Consider the volume and complexity of your data and look into how it aligns with QuickBooks data structure requirements. It's important to identify gaps such as missing fields and inconsistent formats, and set up contingencies for data corruption or compliance risks. Step 2. Manage the migration process. Automation is key to safeguarding your data during the migration process. While QuickBooks integrates with many tools for a quick setup, you may require custom solutions if your data is spread across multiple systems and in various formats. Always back up your data and run test migrations to catch any issues early. Step 3. Test and maintain data integrity. After migration, thorough testing ensures accuracy. Cross-reference data in QuickBooks with the original records to identify discrepancies. At Fusion CPA, we specialize in QuickBooks migrations. We offer hands-on training and ongoing support to make sure your team is fully equipped. Contact us for expert guidance and a seamless data migration experience.